Alright guys, I'm coming at you with another review, and this is for the tank that I just got. It's called the Mega Twix, and so far I see nothing wrong with it. It's a 2-tank system, basically, with 2 cartomizers in it. You got one up here, one down here, and they're bottom carts. They're not on the top like the VV Novas. The VVs have the wicks on top, whereas the Mega Twix has the wicks on the bottom, so you don't have to keep turning it upside down and hitting, turning it upside down, on and on. It got annoying, and I actually got burnt taste from my VV Nova, so I wasn't a big fan of it. Just to show you guys that I have a VV Nova. Here's my VV Nova, and it's crooked, but if you can see, the wicks are on top. Yeah, you can see them up top up here, whereas this have the wicks on the bottom. Hold on. You can see the 2 dots, one right here, one right here, and they're on the bottom compared to as being up here on the top. This doesn't leak. I haven't had any leaking problems, and the bottom is pretty weird looking. It's just a metal thing, or a metal plate. So, but it hits amazing. It hits better than the VV Nova. So, but where I got this was from Mad Vapes, and I'm perfectly satisfied about it. I'm going to go and review it as soon as I'm done making this video, but I'm smoking this on the Z-Max V2. You can't smoke the VV Novas on here. I mean, you can, but they burn literally within 2 hits because the ohms or the voltage that you're vaping at is so high, and this is such a strong device that you burn your wicks real easily. So with this, I can actually hold it down and it will not burn, and the reason for that is because the wicks are on the bottom. Sorry about the camera, I'm doing this all by myself, so, but I'm going to just show you what the vapor production looks like, and this will be at you can't see that, but it says 3.7 volts. I'm sure I could go up higher. I'm not going to, just to be on the safe side. I get enough vapor from it. But the cartomizers in here, they're 2 ohms each, equaling up to 4 ohms. So basically you're smoking at a 4 ohm or a 4 ohm cart, and it doesn't hit or feel like a 4 ohm cart. It actually feels like you're smoking at a 2 ohm. How they made that happen, I don't know, but I'm not complaining because I don't like the resistance. The resistance is what gets me on mini devices or mini tank systems, but this one's really great. Alright, enough talk, here goes the vape. Alright, that was just one hit. I can't take too big of them because they hurt. And I'm going to compare it to the VV Nova. I'm vaping at the same voltage, so I'm not giving either device or either tank an advantage. And you could just see I blew all that out within maybe 2 seconds, whereas the Mega Twix took a lot longer. I'm going to hit this one more time. And it gives you a really good throat hit and a lung hit as well. You actually feel it. It's not... Whereas if you would be using one of these, which has a I don't even know what it is. It's a cartomizer, but it's just like a, I don't know. Basically, these don't burn the nicotine like they should. They don't burn the flavor, and you can see the color of this, which is really dark brownish, and it burns the liquid very easily. I only filled this up halfway just because it'll burn all my liquid, and it starts to taste really nasty. But this is blueberry, and it's brown. This is blueberry. This is what it should look like. It's just got a pink tint to it, and it, like I said, I've been hitting this for like the past 3 days, and I haven't had any burnage or anything. So I'm really satisfied with that, as well as this. You can tell that the flavor or liquid in here is a little bit darker too. And this is menthol, which should be clear, but it's brown. So with both of these tanks, they burn the liquid, causing them to change color, leaving your liquid tasting irregular. Whereas this, my color hasn't turned, and the liquid lasts a long time. Granted, you're using 2 cartomizers, you would be like, oh, okay, I'm gonna burn through liquid like crazy. You're actually really not. I've been hitting this for the past day, so altogether about a day, and I haven't even reached half of it. But I'm completely satisfied with it. If you guys have any other questions, just feel free to ask. If you want to purchase this and find out for yourself, you can get this at madvapes.com. And the one thing I don't like about this is the little card, or the little thing. You can see where there are 2 knobs at the top, and they fit in on the inside here. You can see where the 2 grooves are missing. That's where your little mouthpiece fits in. I'm not a big fan of that, but I have come to the conclusion that you can easily, you can just put another one on. I haven't seen any problems with it, about it leaking through the tank system by holding it upside down for long periods, but I'm just sticking with the blue one to be on the safe side. That and my LED is blue. So, like I said, any questions, just ask. If you want to get a Mega Twix for yourself, go on madvapes.com and order it. It's about $12 with $3 shipping.